Well, it's early July, and we've got a load of hydroponic pots on at the moment. We've got 2,800 pots on the back, and we're heading out to Pearsdale to a nursery called Plantopia. And what they do, they grow on a lot of our plantings. They start them off for us, and then we bring them onto site and we put them into our hydroponic system. Got it?
My name is Neil Scott. I started with Terry in 2006. At this point we have probably about 100,000 plants on the ground. We're growing all different plants for Terry, so geraniums, petunias. We do different combinations as well for the new grandstand. It's been about 10 years we've spoken about this new grandstand, so it's pretty exciting to be part of this.
These are the ivy geraniums for up on the rooftop that pretty much go right around the perimeter of the roof line. They won't go into a hydroponic system, they'll be planted straight into a soil mix. The hydroponic systems, what they are, they're a pot that sits in a tray with a valve in it, and that valve regulates the water supply. It's just so labour saving. All the watering's pretty much done automatically, and all your fertilising's done automatically as well.
So we're in Torquay and our Torquay farm. So all those lawns in front of the grandstand along the track, they've all come out of this Torquay farm. This particular project though, it's a special project because it's going to be in the shade, and those grasses that we used out in the open areas for Terry's lawns, they won't handle the shade as well as this grass will. And that's why we've purpose sown this particular grass for him. So we're standing on a paddock which is a cool season grass. The variety is called RTF. It's a cool season grass that grows throughout the whole year provided it's irrigated through the summer. A very active grower in the spring, so it's an ideal grass for a heavy traffic situation.
So we're just about to start harvesting the tall fescue for delivery to Flemington for their new members lawn. So there's 1,600 metres going to Flemington, and that is about just under 2 full truckloads, and we'll be able to harvest that within 1 day. We have a blade, the blade cuts it, it comes up the mat and hits a rolling mechanism, rolls it up, and Matt or whoever is on the back harvesting grabs it and stacks it on the pallet. Once the pallet's full, we drop the pallet on the ground and onto the next one. Each roll's 1 square metre, and they're 600 wide by 1.67 metres long. It'll take roughly about 4 to 5 hours, depending on the going. So they should come up very well and quite quick.
The grass has just arrived for the new members lawn. It was cut yesterday down at Torquay at Anco's farm. So it's been trucked up here this morning. They're currently unloading it, and hopefully by the end of the day it'll all be on the ground.
Fill this area, and then we'll jump up there and start coming this way. Even more, Rick, if you want to push it up more. And try to keep it square. Then that way, all your joints aren't all in the one spot. Best grass I've seen. Fantastic quality. The roots will start coming out in the next few days, and then they'll embed and be nice and firm by the next race meeting.